Hey guys, this is Akash from Vlogs, back with another video. Welcome to the solo series. So this video will be about the mirrors of my bike. I'll be changing these mirrors to the Dominar UG 2019 model mirrors. I'll be showing you all the process of fitting and what all modifications to be done on this socket to get the Dominar mirrors fixed. Stay tuned to the channel and enjoy. So these are the Dominar mirrors which I've got them from Bajaj showroom. This cost around 1100 rupees. I'll be fixing it in my bike. So you have to get a small clamp like this. This will sit on your right side of your mirror, and you'll have to add an extra piece inside, extra metal piece inside this groove, so that you can make the mirror sit. The mirror is of 12 size, so you'll have to make it smaller. Same thing must be done to the other side as well. You'll have to add a small piece and make the thing smaller. So I have got the Dominar mirrors fitted in my bike, and this clamp they have put a Allen bolt here, and it's this long. You'll have to get a custom bolt for this, and for this side you'll have to take it to a welding shop and get the hole smaller. They'll add a small piece inside the thread, and the stock RTR gets reverse thread, so they'll make it to a straight thread and fix these mirrors. And this is how the bike looks with the Dominar mirrors. Looks pretty cool, right? So this is how the bike looks with the Dominar mirrors. It looks pretty good. First impressions on this is like the mirrors are slightly heavier than the stock RTR mirrors. It looks pretty great. The build quality is definitely better than the stock RTR mirrors, and due to increase in weight of these mirrors, the handlebar feels a little less vibey than before. Before there was no vibrations, but still it has got even more smoother. The handle feels no vibrations at all. So this is not only upgrade in the looks department, but also the feel of the handlebars feels even better. I got these mirrors from the official Bajaj stores for around 1100 rupees, so I feel it's worth every penny. I'll explain the layout once again for you. So this is my stock clutch yoke, which you can see here, and for this yoke the threading which the stock RTR mirrors have is the reverse threading. So if you want to put the mirrors, you have to turn it in a reverse way, but the mirrors which you get with the Dominar are of straight, so that we had to take it to a lathe shop, and we had to take it to a welder, and we had to get the threading thinner. Like we had to add a small metal piece and make the hole thinner, so that we can fit the Dominar mirrors, because Dominar mirrors get an Allen key over here, and we cannot put any other bolt because of the diameter in the mirror. Because of that, we were not able to put any other bolt for it, so we had to alter the yoke for it. And that's how for the left one. And for the right one, if you can see, the stock mirror gap is over here, and the new mirrors are sitting on a different clamp. So this clamp you can get it from TVS store for around I think 100 rupees. This small clamp is, and you can drill a hole on it you'll have a hole, but the diameter is too big for this bolt to fit in. So the same procedure which you had done for the left side, you have to add a small metal piece for it, and you have to make the threading straight, and that's it. You have your Dominar mirror fitted on it, and these mirrors don't vibrate at all. I've even tested in the high speed, like I went to around just 110 kmph and it didn't vibrate at all. It remains stable, which is pretty good.